Hey, Leo Johnson here from MarineMax Lake Norman. Today you join me in front of a new in-stock 2026 Sea Ray Boats SLX 280 outboard. This boat with those twin 250 horsepower V8s out back is a rocket ship, ton of fun to drive. It's going to have a joystick as well. It's part of that twin outboard package. This particular boat is in the Sea Ray blue with the white gel stripe. We've also done the power tower up top and some other great options inside. Let's climb aboard and check those out. As soon as you step aboard this SLX 280, the first thing you're going to notice is this boat is equipped with the stone interior. It's a very popular option for us. You've got a great sun pad area back here. You've got cup holders, USB chargers, as well as a stereo head unit back here for your rear passengers to control that audio. You've got a cooler up underneath this seat. And this boat is also equipped with the ski tow pylon that inserts into that receptacle right there. Twin 250s in black with the access door on both. It's a great power package for this boat. Thing's a ton of fun to drive. As you walk through your walkthrough here, you're going to have some in-floor storage. It's a great place for dock lines. You're going to have a transom shower on this boat, as well as a battery tender. You've got a block-off door here. Keeps kids and pets inside while you're underway. And then this boat is also equipped with the boarding step here on the starboard side. As we step inside, this boat is equipped with the snap-in woven flooring. Great entertainment space here. We've got tables for this boat that mount right in the corner here. Gives you a nice area to hang out around. Great cup holders throughout. You can have storage underneath all of these seats. This particular boat's also going to have this storage section right here. Comes with the wireless phone charger you see down below. And the refrigerator has been optioned on this boat as well. One of the hallmark features on the 280 SLX is you're going to have a rotating captain's chair here that rotates a full 180 to give you a full entertainment zone rear facing. Then with the pull of the lever right here, you can spin it back forward, slides forward and back to your liking. And you've also got a bolster here as well. Your passenger seat's going to do the same thing. It'll slide forward and back. You see we've got it rotated right now with that flip-up bolster as well. At the helm, this boat is a great boat to drive. You've got really good visibility from here. Access to your twin Mercury throttles here. It's a very natural hand position. Just behind that, you're going to have your Mercury joystick here with skyhook and autopilot and control for your Lenco trim tabs that are optioned on this boat. Manual switching over here on the starboard side for things like your windlass, your anchor light, and your wipers. Most of your access is going to be through the screen here on this boat. It's got the twin 12-inch Simrad NSX series screens. It's going to come with an auto route feature and lots of other information throughout these, and you can customize them to your liking. Last but not least, you're going to have a Fusion Audio head unit here for your captain. It's your main head unit for the boat. Got FM, AM, Bluetooth, and several other options as well. Over on the port side, you're going to have a glove box just in your head door here. As you open up your head door, you'll notice a magnetic catch that holds it open. This boat is equipped with a vacuum flush head, and you've got a sink down there as well as some storage. Nice headroom in there as well with a grab handle getting in and out. As you walk through the center here, you're going to have a wind dam block-off door right here, as well as a fold-over windshield. The combination of the two gives you that real safe feeling, especially on those cold mornings out on the water. Up here at the bow, there's also going to be a table that mounts right here, as well as a bow filler cushion. You've got great grab handles here, cup holders throughout, as well as USB chargers up underneath the back seat here. One of the hallmark features on the SLX series of boats, especially the 260 and 280, is the storage. Up underneath this seat, you see dedicated storage for your bow table and your aft table, as well as some general storage in here as well. Last but not least, up here at the bow, this boat's going to have a shade with poles that go into these little receptacles here. You've also got controls for your windlass anchor under this hatch. You've got a remote there to run it from here. You can also run it from the helm, and you've got a shower here as well to rinse off that anchor with fresh water. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock Sea Ray SLX 280 outboard. This boat's in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com. Stop by today with any questions. Thanks for watching.